Polaris Automation originated as a systems integrator in the manufacturing industry. So we serve manufacturing clients. However, because of the current state of manufacturing, we've had to change with what our customers' requirements are. So now we are very much involved in consulting clients through a smart manufacturing journey.
So the three uniques that define us is one, that we're 100% employee owned. The second is that we're boldly transparent. And the third is that we lead with a servant mindset. And the servant mindset piece is I mean, they're all important, but servant mindset is very important to us. Being able to approach a client, conduct our business in a way to where it's outwardly serving the people that we're in business. Like, we're not in business for ourselves. Obviously, we want to be successful for everybody within the business, but what drives us is leading by example and making sure that we are in the service industry. It's a little different than what people traditionally think of, but our business thrives on relationships, earning the trust that we get with our clients, and a lot of it is repeat business.
Creating a culture of individuals that are motivated through servant leadership has been very near and dear to my heart. And I think that's been the catalyst that's helped us to create this community of people in our business that are more involved in things and understand where their career's taking them. So when we focus on relationships, we're really focused on that inwardly as well as outwardly, and that within our purpose statement, the primary focus is not just the customer, it's not just the employee, it's not just the family, it's all.